Well, very honestly, um, we both entered the ISL in its first year in 2014. And around 2010 or 11 is when me and Bunty, and we had done a lot of research on esports. And it was already as big as actual sport. And if you go to see the facts and figures today, gaming is bigger as an industry than even, say, films are right now. In fact, it's about 3 times the size in terms of revenue.
Look at them nodding.
Yeah, it's a fact. It's a fact.
Yeah.
And I remember reading in about 2011 or 12 an article in The Economist about the latest GTA that was coming out at that point in time, and the budget was $250 million then. So it just kind of gives you the scales of what gaming is all about. It's the future. It's here. It's going to be in the Olympics very soon, and it's definitely going to overtake everything else. What's really nice about it is it's very inclusive as well. So what I like about it is that there isn't just the physicality that comes into it. It's your talent as well. It is a lot more inclusive because it is relatively cheaper than actually becoming a professional sportsman. So I think it's the future. Many more people can partake. The kids have all grown up doing it. I mean, today, just on your mobile phone, if you see gaming is just part of everyday life. I mean, he'll tell you we're both girl dads, and even from like a very, very small age, educational tools are taught to you through games, which we weren't taught like that. So gaming is just a natural extension for the next generation. It's definitely here to stay, and it's the next big thing, according to me.
Gautam, when I met you and Shantanu, you guys said something very poignant to me. You said that this league is something that the industry has not seen, and it is something that is needed. Why do you think that is?
So essentially, if you look at the world today, and especially India, right? I mean, our respected PM, he's already laid out a massive pavement to create the 21st century content creator economy. I mean, you talk about AVGC, you talk about waves, banning the real money gaming, and then focusing on skill-based gaming. So I mean, the stage is set now for the gamers to flourish. I mean, in India, if you look at the demographics, if you look at the 500 million plus gamers, I mean, gaming community, unfortunately, I mean, there isn't anything in the ecosystem where you can have more of Shantanus being, I mean, you can find more Shantanus and give them a platform. So at ISGL, we are trying to create that platform so that we can find one Neeraj Chopra who can get us a medal at Asian Games, Olympics, Commonwealth or Olympics. So that is the mission, vision that we are kind of embarking on.
Shantanu, what do you think gamers today in the...
When I was taken by this US team Tempo Storm, they got me a mental conditioning coach, they gave me a health coach, a doctor, like everything. And I didn't have to think about salaries. In India, I played 500 tournaments and still I'm waiting for 400 prize monies. So that doesn't happen in the US. They were like, made sure about, and even where the Formula One players are taken, in the Red Bull, like health center, they took me there, and means best conditioning, best coaching. And for World Championship, they prepped me for 2 months in Singapore. And I went to China, got third. So just think like the support they gave me. So if we can do something for the gamers here.
Kashmir, what does a league like this do for gamers?
I mean, I feel like although India is at its peak, as Tanmay said, we're still in a certain way at its nascency, you know. India still hasn't, in the global sense, India still hasn't made a mark as it should, and I feel like ISGL, thanks to Mr. Shantanu and Mr. Gautam, is something that can target the grassroots and put India there eventually. So I think that the ripple effect of this would be massive.
Karthik, I want to ask...
We partnered with Chennai. We are on the jersey of Chennai and Mumbai City both. So through the game, the ISL is watched by 140 million people. But through the FC mobile game, we are reaching to 500 million plus people. So that was our bigger target, to reach more gamers.
Kashmir, you know, most people, we play games to unwind. But this is what you do professionally. And you, what do you do to unwind?
So I mean, for me, gaming is also a hobby. So when I'm chilling, I'm also gaming. I mean.
So you don't unwind. You're just always wound up.
I mean, it is therapeutic. Like there's casual games and there's those serious try hard games. So the casual games are unwired.
So you bring your professional life into your personal life as well.
I also have other hobbies that what are you trying to say? I'm fun at parties, okay?
Karthik, what about you, yaar?
मैं तो मतलब गेम में ही 24/7 रहता हूँ और मोस्टली कभी कभी क्रिकेट खेल लेता हूँ.
और अभी मेरे को बताओ ये 5 साल पहले जो हाल था और अभी है, अभी भी मतलब एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली लोग सवाल पूछते हैं कि क्या करते हो आप, कि सबको चमक गया है अभी कि गेमिंग एक इंडस्ट्री है, बढ़िया अच्छा खासा धंधा बन रहा है यहाँ पे.
यस, अभी सबको गेमिंग के बारे में पता चल गया है और आई होप आने वाले टाइम में इंडिया में और बूम होगा ई स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेमिंग.
Has it gotten much better in the last 5 years?
नहीं बोल सकते वैसे क्योंकि आपने कोविड में देखा है, कोविड में सबसे ज़्यादा पीक पे था गेमिंग. थोड़ा सा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ कम थी, मतलब कम अभी भी है, बट आने वाले टाइम में शांतनु है, मैं भी अभी मेरा खुद का प्लेटफॉर्म लेके आया अंडरडॉग्स के लिए. तो हम लोग जो कम्युनिटी के लोग हैं वही लोग मिलके आगे स्पोर्ट्स को और ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. इंडिया में 140 करोड़ का अपना देश है. जैसे चाइना भी स्पोर्ट्स को डोमिनेट कर रहा है, आने वाले टाइम में हम लोग मिलके 100% डोमिनेट करेंगे स्पोर्ट्स में.
Scout यार, एक मेरे को पता, if there is a young person at home who is thinking about starting his career, what is one honest thing you can tell them, whoever's watching?
यार देखो, मैं सच बताऊंगा तो एक सिंपल सा मंत्र है जो मैं फॉलो करता हूँ. इट्स अबाउट नेवर गिविंग अप फॉर द चाइल्ड हु हैड स्टार्टेड ड्रीमिंग ऑफ द गोल व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग राइट नाउ, कि तुम्हें वो चीज़ अचीव करना है, वो मत भूलो कभी भी. और लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते हैं. एक पॉइंट आएगा कि आप 2-3 साल से मेहनत करो, आप उसके क्लोज जा रहे हो, स्टिल हार रहे हो, देन लॉट ऑफ पीपल गिव अप एट दैट पॉइंट. बट आई फील एट दैट मोमेंट यू ऑलवेज नीड टू थिंक ऑफ दैट चाइल्ड हु स्टार्टेड ड्रीमिंग अबाउट द गोल व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव. आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट मोटिवेशन. एंड गेमिंग, बहुत लोग एक कंफ्यूजिंग चीज़ लिया अपने दिमाग में कि उनको पैसे कमाने हैं. आप पैसे के पीछे भागोगे तो कभी भी आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते. मनी इज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट. आप अच्छा करो गेम में, सक्सेस हिट करो, you get the medals, money will come automatically to you.
और ये सबसे ज़्यादा जो ब्रांड डील्स करती है आप कह रहे हो?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Alright guys, before we wrap up quickly for Shantanu and Gautam.
Because if your brand is inside the game, they can't skip it. They will play the full game. They have to see the brand.
Gautam, any message for brands who are watching this? What to look forward to?
So for the brands, if you look at it, what we are trying to do essentially is create regional pathways, national highway and international runway. So regional pathway, we have 9 leagues, 9 franchises. So we are going to grassroots. We are scouting for the right talent and giving them an avenue, a structure by which we can nurture the talent and give them a national kind of a highway. So we'll do the grand finale, that will be the national highway. And this is not a one-time event. This will be a recurring event that we will do. And then we are also talking to a lot of international federations, where we'll also be sending a lot of our national winners to participate for international tournaments and vice versa. So there are 2 federations that we are doing active discussions at this point in time. So in a nutshell, I think what we are trying to do is build a gaming ecosystem. And I have 2 small kids at home, and I believe the way forward is phygital. It has to be a mix of physical plus digital. I mean, there is a gamer who is only a 15-year-old gamer, faker. He is valued at $100 million. So, I mean, by gaming also, you can create massive wealth.
Alright ladies and gentlemen, on that note, thank you so much everyone for joining us. Shantanu, Gautam, all the best for your endeavor. Kashvi, Karthik, Scout, thanks so much for coming. And Abhishek and Manbir, thank you so much for coming. Thanks for stopping by everyone. Shall we do a quick photo op and call it?
बीच में आना बता.
नीचे बैठो, नीचे बैठ के मारो. चाचा नीचे बैठो. फोटो.
I will need all your support.
अरे चाचा बैठो ना यार. चाचा. अरे भाई थोड़ा बोले चलिए ना थोड़ा. ब्रो. छोड़ दे. पीछे से मारना. हो गया भाई.
So we have the presence here of Honorable Minister Sri Mandupalli Ramprasad Reddy from Andhra Pradesh. Sir, can you please join us here on the stage as well?
भाई बैठो नीचे। अच्छा यार नीचे बैठ के ले लो ना यार, हमारा फ्रेम खराब हो रहा है।
वो आगे आ जा।
अरे बैठो ना। अरे क्या मतलब? अरे ओ मैडम। अरे वेदांत नीचे बैठना है। वेदांत भाई। अच्छा तो भी आप लोग नीचे बैठो।